Welcome to my channel. Are you Team iPhone or Team Samsung? In 2025, both brands are packed with insane features. But which one is actually more user friendly? Today, we compare 10 key points to find the ultimate winner. Stick around. Number 10 might surprise you. Number 1, setup process. Which one get you started fast? iPhone, super smooth setup with iCloud. Just bring your old phone close to your new one and boom, everything transfers wirelessly. Samsung, more flexibility. You can transfer from iPhone, another Android, or even use Samsung Smart Switch, but it's a bit more complicated. Winner, iPhone. It's just easier for beginners. Number 2, customization. Can you make it truly yours? iPhone, limited. You can change wallpapers and rearrange icons, but that's about it. Samsung, total control. Themes, widgets, custom launchers. You can even hide apps. Winner, Samsung. If you love personalizing, it's no contest. Number 3, ease of navigation. Which one feels more natural? iPhone, simple gestures. Everything is where you expect it to be. No unnecessary buttons. Samsung, more features equal more menus. If you are not tech savvy, it might feel overwhelming at first. Winner, iPhone. Less cluster, less confusion. Number 4, voice assistant. iPhone, Siri is good but still struggle with complex requests. Samsung, you get Google Assistant, which is much smarter. Bixby exists, but who really use it? Winner, Samsung. Google Assistant is unbeatable. Number 5, typing experience. Which one feels better? iPhone, default keyboard is simple and accurate. Haptic feedback feels amazing. Samsung, more options. You can use Gboard, Samsung keyboard, or others, but autocorrect can be weird. Winner, iPhone. More consistent typing experience. Number 6, App Store compatibility. Which one has better apps? iPhone, the App Store is more polished. Apps are optimized. Fewer bugs. Samsung, the Google Play Store has more apps, but some feel lower quality. Winner, iPhone. Better quality control. Number 7, battery and charging. Which one lasts longer? iPhone, good battery life, but slow charging, unless you buy extra fast chargers. Samsung, faster charging, bigger batteries. Some models even have reverse wireless charging. Winner, Samsung. No one likes waiting for a charge. Number 8, software update. Who take care of their users? iPhone, 5 to 6 years of updates. Even older iPhones stay relevant. Samsung, 4 to 5 years of updates. Big improvement, but budget models may get left behind soon. Winner, iPhone. Longevity matters. Number 9, camera simplicity. Which one's easier to use? iPhone, open the camera, snap a photo, and looks great. No settings needed. Samsung, more camera options, but the default setting can be confusing for some users. Winner, iPhone. Point, shoot, done. Number 10, price versus value. Do you get what you pay for? iPhone, expensive but holds value longer. Even all iPhones sell for good prices. Samsung, more variety. You can get a flagship, foldable, or budget model. More choices equal more value. Winner, Samsung. More options for different budgets. Final verdict. Which one wins for user friendliness in 2025? Winner for user friendliness in 2025, iPhone. Samsung is powerful, but iPhone keeps things simple and work effortlessly for more people. However, if you love customization and cutting edge features, Samsung is a strong contender. What do you think? Are you switching teams in 2025 or sticking with your favorites? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this comparison, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.